So I just got a ton of whack-ass evidence. Oh, look at my filter. I didn't mean to do that. Presented by the cheapest lawyer in town. 11 p.m., the night before the trial, which is 8 a.m. tomorrow. Already illegal. Dictating like maybe 7 or 8 things that I did wrong. Restraining order breakages. You know what's not on there? You know what there's no reference to? Anything to do with hacking, which means it was a complete lie from beginning to end. You know what is on there? Lies. It's all lies. There was one faked, admittedly I called her once. That's on there. The rest is fucking lies.